Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to change a currency in BingX application using your mobile device. Changing currency usually affects the displayed fiat value, not your actual crypto holding. So if you want to change your displayed fiat value in BingX, follow the steps. Launch open your BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, click Preferences, and from the Preferences tab, click on Show Currency. Now choose a different currency for your account. I'm just gonna tap on USD. Soon after you tap on a different currency, you can now head back to the home page of your BingX account. The app will automatically update and display balances in that chosen currency. So that's it. That is how you easily change your currency display in BingX application. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.